And I'll be explaining what ecosystems are. So basically, like, ecosystems are like organisms that interact with other organisms, or they can just be like dead things. So then, like, non-living. So like a rock. I'm not saying that a rock is dead, but I mean not living. And then, so there's two types. There's biotic and abiotic. Biotic is living organisms that other organisms interact with, and abiotic is organisms that are non-living, such as my example of a rock earlier. And then, like, an example could be like photosynthesis with a tree. It will take sunlight and then carbon dioxide, water, and then it'll make a tree. And so like a habitat has to give all the things necessary to an animal for the ecosystem. So then that's like nutrition, shelter, water, and then there's also this thing called niche, which is about niche is like how something, like an organism behaves, how it eats, where it lives, where its shelter is. And two organisms can't occupy the same niche. And then, like, you need energy to, like, live. You can't have, like, absolutely no energy and be alive. So then, like, when someone says, I'm out of energy, they're really not. They just, I don't know, they're just tired. And then, like, living organisms, for it to be an organism, it has to be able to live, eat, grow, move on its own, generally, and reproduce. And then, like, plants eat sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, so then that's like a tree or just any other plant. And then, like, living things need food to give them energy, so then, like, you can't just not eat and then be totally fine. You need to have food to give you energy. And then it's kind of a basic rundown of what I know so far. Hope you enjoyed.